Hello, this is Kenneth Park from Technical Marketing Team. Today, I'd like to introduce the Technical Service, Operation, and Hanwha Solution Wire and Cable Division. TS stands for Technical Service, a function dedicated to providing customers with technical guidance and tailored support. Since every cable manufacturer operates with different equipment, processes, and conditions, our role is to ensure that our materials are used optimally in each unique setting. And when an issue arises, we are there to deliver fast and up-to-date technical solutions. At heart of TS is our commitment to responsiveness and precision. With over 30 years of in-house expertise and experience, Hanwha Solution Wire and Cable Division is well equipped to handle any quality issue reported by customers. We perform structured root cause analysis, deliver timely, reliable recommendations, and organize each case into a centralized database to prevent recurrence of similar issues in the future. But our mission doesn't stop there. Through our CAPA process, we go beyond immediately action, leveraging the learnings from each case to improve existing products and even develop new ones. This proactive cycle helps us mitigate potential risks before they occur and build a stronger foundation of quality. In this way, TS is not just a support function, it's a strategic pillar of trust and technical excellence, one that enhances our capabilities and strengthens our connection with customers through direct, meaningful collaboration. Our technical service operates not only across Korea, but on a global scale, bringing Hanwha's brand of dedicated innovation to partners worldwide. Thank you for watching. We look forward to working closely with our customers and contributing to their long-term success.